Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the OBD port fuses are located, you have up to 2 of them, special fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the OBD port fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. You, by the way guys, have multiple fuse boxes. Some of them are extremely hidden, and we have a special video on our YouTube channel where you can find the fuse box location on Ford Fusion. What do we need to do today? Open the driver door, and here on the dash, that lower section here guys, if you look that lower section, you see it extends all the way on the other side. You have 4 clips, one here, one there, 2 on the other side. Open that thing, grab it from top, opens kind of like on a hinge. Deep inside the dash on the left side you have the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So for the OBD port guys, we need to check up to 2 different fuses. You wonder where they're located. By the way guys, let's zoom in here a little bit. Now you have these double fuses that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. Keep some spare ones guys, because those are, believe me, hard to find. So here the fuse that we need to check for the OBD port specifically guys. Okay, the fuse numbers will be printed next to them. First one is fuse number 13. That's 12 and 13, 2 fuses integrated in one, but the left side is fuse number 13, and you need to check fuse number 15 right above it, these 2 fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.